Welcome to the program. My name is Grace Correa. Now, 13 people died last night and several others left injured in a grisly road accident involving an Eldoret Express bus and a truck at Awasi along Kisumu-Kericho Highway. The accident occurred a few minutes past midnight when a truck heading towards Kisumu rammed into the Nairobi-bound bus from the right side, killing 11 passengers and both drivers on the spot. According to police, the bus driver lost control of the vehicle and drove on the wrong lane, occasioning a head-on collision with the truck. And our reporter Kevin Ogutu has been following up on this sad report and now joins us live from Jaramogi Oginga Hospital. Good afternoon, Kevin. Certainly not a very good afternoon there, but what more can you tell us? The survivors who are in the hospital, I understand about 7 are being observed, but Ogutu, just give us more details regarding this unfortunate accident.
Well, a very good afternoon, Grace Correa, and as you put it, it's quite a sorrowful one, so to speak. And I'm right here at the casualty area, the Jaramogi Oginga Odinga Teaching and Referral Hospital. This has been a very busy place all the way from midnight. We've had over 23 referrals being made here at this particular facility. And out of that, we've seen a majority of them being discharged. But right now, we still have a number of them who are still being observed very carefully. We are just about 7 of them who are still being observed because depending on the level of injuries that they sustained. So to speak, we have just about 7 of them, and this is one of the most unfortunate incidences to have happened. Awasi area happened to be quite a notorious spot given the number of trucks that normally ply that route, whether it is the commercial ones or it is those that are taking sugar canes to the various farms. So I'm trying to see whether we are able to speak with Rachel. Rachel, we spoke to her earlier. She's one of the patients, one of the survivors who are being observed, and maybe just to get from her how she's probably feeling right now. As I mentioned, we just have about 7 of them being observed right now. Welcome to KTN News. We are very sorry for what happened. Maybe just briefly give us a brief about the kind of journey that you had and what you remember about that impact.
Okay, kwa majina naitwa Rachel Auma. Mimi nilipandia stage naitwa Wimbi. Tukaelekea Bondo, kutoka Bondo tukaelekea Kisumu. Sasa kutoka hapo hivyo Kisumu tukakawia, kufika saa 4 tukatoka, tukaanza safari yetu ya kuelekea Nairobi. Lakini kwa kibahati mbaya driver alianza overspeeding. Hapo hivyo hatukuwa tunajua, nilikuwa nadhania kwa barabara peke yake. Hiyo ni hapo hivyo kutoka Ero kuelekea Awasi. Hapo hivyo kufika tu Awasi, kuna trailer ilikuwa inakuja mbele yetu. Na huyu driver vile alikuwa na overspeed au kuwa anajiweza kujicontrol vile alifika next to trailer. Hapo hivyo tukajigonga kwa trailer. Mimi mwenyewe vile tulijigonga, mimi nikajikuta I was confused na hata sikuwa naweza fanya chochote, nikajikuta tu nimeshikwa na nikatolewa nje ya gari. Hapo hivyo tukakawia something like 1 hour. Then after that 1 hour, then tukarespondiwa with the police. Tukaletewa hapa hivi Jaramogi Oginga Odinga Russia. Na vile tuliingia hapa hivi tulianza kuhudumiwa na tukatibiwa. Kwa sasa hivi nashukuru Mungu juu ile maumivu yenye nilikuwa nayo vile saizi naona na improve. Asante.
Thank you very much. That is Grace. That is Rachel. Rachel is one of the survivors who are under observation right here at the Jaramogi Oginga Odinga Teaching and Referral Hospital. We are made to understand that the 13 bodies are at the Ahero Sub-County Hospital, and the management there is waiting for the relatives to come over there for the purposes of identifying the body. That's the brief that we have regarding this tragic accident. Back to you in studio, Grace Correa.
Thank you, Kevin Ogutu, for that update there. He was coming to us live from Jaramogi Oginga Hospital, where about 7 passengers of the ill-fated bus are. They're currently being observed, of course, resulting or following that accident that took the lives of 13 people. And we do wish those in hospitals a quick recovery.